Ayo, boss, and welcome back. Today, Chef's going to show us how to make a hearty hash breakfast. Very simple to make, couple key ingredients, and we think you're going to enjoy it. Chef does want to apologize. He says if you have a cast iron skillet to use that. He just used a regular skillet, but cast iron probably would work better. It's okay, Chef. We all make mistakes. Let's go ahead and get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is heat up your oil to a nice high temperature, and then add your hash browns. And Chef said you can buy the store-bought. It works fine. Go ahead and add your green peppers and your onions, which Chef forgot to throw the onions in, and he apologizes. Let these sit for several minutes as they start to brown, and then give them a nice toss. Afterwards, add a little bit of salt and pepper. Chef, when did you put a sweatshirt on? And now go ahead while that's cooking and cut up your kielbasa or whatever kind of large sausage you're using into 1/4 inch slices. Place those in a pan with a little bit of oil and just get those brown on each side. Just a few minutes. Once those are nice and golden, add those right to the mix, a few minutes, and then stir. However you like your hash browns is up to you. Some people like them a little more well done than others. When you're ready to, go ahead and add your shredded cheddar cheese. And once this is added, go ahead and remove this from the stove, put the lid on it, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, just to melt the cheese. Once this is done and the cheese is melted, you can go ahead and now serve this right up. And it will disappear, trust us. Thanks for joining us. Definitely alter the ingredients if you'd like. The ingredients we use will be down below, but feel free to mix and match or do something different. The blog will have all the directions on this as well as our other meals. And don't forget to check out other videos and you may see something you like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. We'd love to have you on board. And don't forget everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.